Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose. Today I will be doing puff puff using the recipe of a popular Nigerian YouTuber called Sisi Yemmie. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for clicking. Right, so these are the ingredients. I have used half of the ingredients on her video. So I've used 1 cup of flour. I've used that is a teaspoon of nutmeg. This is optional. I just wanted a bit of tanginess to it, so I added lemon zest and half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Now I should have a cup of water on here, but then that's another one of the other ingredients as well. So you put the yeast in a cup, put sugar into it to activate the yeast, she said, and then you put a little bit of the warm water that you already have kept. Then you stir this together and put it in a warm, dry place for the yeast to activate. Okay, now and then at this point you just put that away. She said for 5 minutes, but my yeast is quite old, so I put it away for about 30 minutes. Now in a bowl you just put all your dry ingredients together and wait for the yeast to be ready. Right, so let me formally let me formally welcome you to my channel. My name is Rose and I am a food lover. I call myself a food lover because I don't think I'm a food blogger. I'm not at that level yet. I'm still learning. So I am a food lover from the UK and I like to make different type of food. I also like to eat different types of food, hence the reason why I have this YouTube channel. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, if this is your first time hearing my voice, if this is your first time seeing my lovely hands, then you just have to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified once I upload my next video. Okay, thank you. So don't forget to subscribe. Now I have kept my yeast now for about 30 minutes. If you look at it, it looks nothing like Sisi Yemmie's yeast, hence the reason why I say my yeast is quite old. Okay, so I pour the yeast into the bowl and then I just mix everything together until I get like an elasticy? That's not a word, that is my word. Okay, it's not in the dictionary, I don't think. So you have that kind of texture. Okay, and so I am starting a new series and I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about this series. So have you ever watched a food channel and followed the recipe and it looks nothing like what you saw on YouTube? Well, I have, and I've tried several recipes. A few have turned out okay, a lot of them have turned out bad. So I don't know if it's the camera that is making those look so good, because I have followed the recipe to the T, but then I have turned up with something different. Anyway, I'm starting a new series, so you can recommend a recipe that you want me to try and I will try it out, so you don't have to buy the ingredients and try it out. Let me be your guinea pig. Let me be your scapegoat. Use me, for crying out loud. Use me, please. Anyway, so I will be trying on a couple of recipes just so you guys can see what it looks like before you then go on and try it. Okay, so at this point I have left my mixture, my batter, for about 45 minutes and voila, it looks like this. It's got bubbles, so that means it's fine, right? That means it's perfect, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, so at this point I just mix everything a little bit together, but then looking at it now, I think I should have put a bit more water in it. Just my own preference. I think Sisi Yemmie's one looked a little bit like this, but I would have preferred it to be a little bit softer. Maybe that's the word. Anyway, so at this point I have my pots on fire and oil in it. I use gas. No, I don't use gas. I use electric, so I put it on 4, not too high. And then also in a bowl I put oil in it and I'm using a spoon. Okay, I'm using a spoon. I can't use my hands to do it. So I've put a little bit of batter in the oil just to check that it is warm enough, and then I will be scooping my dough into the oil like so. Okay? Yeah. At this point, I'm thinking, why isn't it so round? Why is it not as round as Sisi Yemmie's one? Is there something that I did wrong? Can you let me know in the comment section? I might have done something wrong. I'm not sure. Maybe it will get rounder. This is what I was thinking at this point. Okay, so yeah. So if you've gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Tell your friends. Tell your family. Tell your enemies as well. Tell everyone. So yeah, you put as much as you want into the oil. Don't put too much because you still need to turn it. You will notice that some of the puff-puffs are a bit lazy. They don't turn. They need you to do the work for them, just like me. But yeah, so don't put too much. You just need the space to be able to flip them, to turn them around. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So at this point, I try to flip everything around and wait to get my desired color. I like it slightly brown, don't like it too brown. So this is a color that I like. I like something like this. Right, so at this point I take it out, put it in a sieve. This will help drain the oil. I prefer this to putting in a towel. A towel is good as well, a paper towel is good, but I prefer a sieve this way. So I will go ahead and do the rest of the dough off camera, and you will see my result in 1, 2, 3, and come on then, 4. Well, not that, but this. So yeah, that's my result. Well, yeah, it's not that round, but honestly, I think Sisi Yemmie's recipe isn't that bad. The only thing that I will do different will be to make the batter a little bit runny, not runny per se, but just slightly softer than her one. But that's the only thing that I will do. So I poured myself a glass of rosé wine, and I am going to chill with that. Don't judge me. I'm self-isolating, okay? So I can be drunk, it's fine. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and hope you have subscribed. Leave me a comment just to let me know how I did. If I did well, don't forget to thumbs up this video. It will help me a lot. And yeah, quickly, I'm growing my own yeast. If you'd like to see me bake with my own yeast, then subscribe. Bye.